In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Figma prototype on Wix 2026 guide. Integrating a live Figma prototype into your Wix site is a powerful way to showcase interactive work. The best part is that it stays in sync with your Figma file, so updates you make later automatically appear on your site without re-embedding. We'll start in Figma. Open the specific design or prototype you want to share. In the top right, click the Share button. Here, make sure the file is viewable to your intended audience so the embed loads for visitors. Setting it so anyone with the link can view is a common choice for public portfolios. Next, choose Get Embed Code. Figma will generate an iframe snippet. Copy that code to your clipboard. You can leave the default dimensions as is for now. We'll adjust sizing inside Wix shortly, and you can always revisit the code later if you prefer a custom width or height. Now switch to Wix. From your dashboard, go to Setup, then Design Site to open the Wix editor. On the left toolbar, click the Add Elements plus icon. Scroll to Embed Code and select Embed HTML. Wix will place a placeholder box on the canvas. Click Enter Code on that box, paste the iframe snippet you copied from Figma, and then click Update. You should see your prototype load right in the editor. If it doesn't appear, double check your Figma sharing permissions and try again. Let's customize the display. Drag the corners of the embed box to match your layout, or use the stretch option to make it span the full width for a clean edge-to-edge presentation. In the element settings, add descriptive alt text such as Figma Project Embed. While alt text isn't read by the iframe itself, including it in the element settings helps with accessibility and can provide useful context for search engines and assistive technologies. Once the prototype is loaded, visitors can zoom, scroll, and interact just like they would inside Figma. They can also click the project title in the embed to open the original file in Figma for a deeper look. Before you finalize, preview, and test, click Preview in the Wix editor to see how the embed behaves across different screen sizes. Interact with the prototype to confirm scrolling and zoom feel natural. To verify live updates, switch back to Figma, nudge an element or change a color, and then return to your Wix preview. You should see the change reflected in real time or after a quick refresh, confirming the embed is truly live. That's it. Your interactive Figma prototype is now seamlessly embedded on Wix and ready to impress.